Now let's test your powers of observation. We'll show you swimmers performing the different strokes. You should be able to recognize the infractions. We'll start with the butterfly. Here are 5 different swimmers. You make the call. Swimmer number 1. Swimmer number 2. Swimmer number 3. Swimmer number 4. Swimmer number 5. Let's see how you did. Swimmer number 1's arms are not moving in a simultaneous manner. This is not legal. Swimmer number 2 is doing an underwater recovery. This is not legal. Swimmer number 3 is swimming legally. Swimmer number 4 does a one-hand touch. This is illegal. Swimmer number 5 is not passed vertical toward the breast when leaving the wall. This too is not legal. Did you do okay with the butterfly? Good. Here are 5 swimmers performing the backstroke. Swimmer number 1. Swimmer number 2. Swimmer number 3. Swimmer number 4. Swimmer number 5. Swimmer number 1 rotates to her breast too far from the wall. Remember, the turning motion must be continuous, so this turn is not legal. Swimmer number 2 does a slow but legal turn. Swimmer number 3 kicks out on the side but is passed vertical toward the back. This is legal and no violation should be called. Remember, only if the swimmer is passed vertical toward the breast is this not legal. Swimmer number 4's head is still submerged after the 15-meter mark. This is not legal. Swimmer number 5's head breaks the surface of the water at the 15-meter mark. This is legal. Ready to move on to the breaststroke? Here are 3 swimmers performing the stroke. Swimmer number 1. Swimmer number 2. Swimmer number 3. Let's see how you did. Swimmer number 1 turns legally. This is an example of how quick a brush touch can happen. But if we watch in slow motion, you can see that the swimmer does indeed touch the wall with both hands. Swimmer number 2 breaks the surface of the water with the feet, but the feet are just following the hips as the knees pull them forward. This swimmer is swimming legally. Swimmer number 3 does a definite downward butterfly kick during the pullout, followed by a breaststroke kick. This is legal. Now we'll finish up with a couple of easy ones for the freestyle. Swimmer number 1. Swimmer number 2. Swimmer number 1 is doing the breaststroke. This is legal as long as it isn't during the designated freestyle leg of the individual medley or medley relay. Swimmer number 2 misses the turn and does not go back to touch the wall. This is a violation. And that leads us to the final segment of our video, the IM and relays.